In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a weekly schedule using Google Calendar. This is a very handy tool that can help you organize your life, stay on top of your commitments, and ensure you're maximizing your productivity. Best of all, Google's integration capabilities make it a powerful way to manage not only your own schedule, but to coordinate with others as well. Let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to Google Calendar. You can do this by typing Google Calendar into your web browser or directly visiting the website. If you aren't already signed into your Google account, make sure to do so, as you'll need access to fully utilize the features we're about to explore. Google Calendar has a user-friendly interface that makes navigating through your schedule a breeze. You'll see the current week displayed by default, which is perfect for our task today. Now, let's create an event. Double-click on the date where you want to add an event. This action will open a new window where you can fill out all the necessary details for this event. It's a simple but effective way to visually mark your commitments. You'll need to enter an event title, which should be concise and descriptive so you can easily recognize it later. Next, you can add the event's location, which helps especially if it's a physical meeting or appointment. In addition to these, there are other details you can include, such as notes or specific instructions that might be relevant to your event. Once you've entered all the basic information, look for the section that says "Does not repeat." It's typically located just below the event details. Click on the down arrow next to it. This will open a drop-down menu where you can specify how often you want this event to repeat. Since we're focusing on creating a weekly schedule, go ahead and select weekly. This choice ensures that your event will recur on the same day and time each week, making it perfect for classes, regular meetings, or any repeating activity. After selecting the weekly repeat option, don't forget to click Save at the top right of the window. This step is crucial because it confirms all the information you've provided and officially adds it to your calendar. You should now see your weekly event displayed on your Google Calendar. It will automatically repeat every week, saving you from the hassle of manually adding it again. Congratulations! You've successfully created a weekly schedule using Google Calendar. This straightforward process can dramatically simplify the way you handle your time and commitments. By having a structured schedule, you can balance your professional, academic, and personal responsibilities more efficiently. If you have multiple events, feel free to repeat these steps. Google Calendar will keep everything organized and in sync, offering you peace of mind and a clearer picture of your week ahead. Happy scheduling!